Hello friends, today's topic 11 mid-cap stocks with high profit and very less debt. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. One of the parameters to see how well a business is performing is to check the return on investment or return on equity. When you are running a small business also, you will need to see how much investment you made on the business, how much profit is it giving you every year. For larger companies, return on equity (ROE) indicates the rate of return that the owners of shares of a company receive on their shareholding in their business. It signifies how good the company is in generating returns, the investment it received from the shareholders. However, having high ROE and high debt may not be a good combination. Ideally, a company having a high ROE and low debt will be more beneficial for shareholders, since the returns could be good in long term. We have compiled a list of mid-cap stocks which have a high ROE and also low debt. Stocks with the highest ROE and low debt. Number 1, CG Power and Industries. Current ROE 66%. Debt to equity ratio 0.01. 2, IRCTC. Current ROE 45%. Debt to equity ratio 0.02. 3, Page Industries. Current ROE 46%. Debt to equity ratio 0.12. 4, Tata Elxsi. Current ROE 35%. Debt to equity ratio 0.09. 5, CRISIL. Current ROE 32%. Debt to equity ratio 0.02. 6, Abbott India. Current ROE 32%. Debt to equity ratio 0.03. 7, KPIT Technologies. Current ROE 31%. Debt to equity ratio 0.15. 8, Apar Industries. Current ROE 32%. Debt to equity ratio 0.17. 9, Motherson Wiring. Current ROE 40%. Debt to equity ratio 0.09. 10, Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Wealth. Current ROE 81%. Debt to equity ratio 0. 11, Solar Industries. Current ROE 33% and debt to equity ratio 0.37. Please note that ROE and low debt are not the only parameters to judge whether a company is good or not. There are several other factors which you need to study in fundamental analysis to decide which companies to invest in and which companies to continue holding for long term. However, these parameters could be a good start for research. This list includes only mid-cap companies with a market cap of more than 30,000 crores and less than 90,000 crores. Study such companies and understand what business they are doing and how the stock has performed over the years. The more you read about these companies, the more you learn and the easier it becomes to decide whether to invest or not. There may be many more large and small companies with high ROA and low debt. It is all about getting confidence to select a few companies to invest and monitor. The reason you need to keep doing research is that in case 1 to 2 stocks of yours are not doing well, then you can replace them with one of the companies which you had already studied about and was on your watch list but not invested. So having some spare companies which you are already confident about is useful for all investors. End of the video, there is a question. Which is the one stock that you have on your watch list but not yet invested in? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.